Welcome back to NK USA Car, your ultimate destination for the latest car reveals, exclusive updates, and detailed insights into the most powerful machines on the planet. If you're passionate about luxury, speed, and cutting-edge automotive innovation, then you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the brand new next-generation 2026 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG, a masterpiece of performance and prestige that just redefined the future of luxury sedans. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG has officially been unveiled. And it's not just a car, it's a statement of power, technology, and perfection. This new generation of the iconic S-Class AMG combines the heart of a supercar with the comfort of a private jet. Mercedes has taken everything that makes the S-Class legendary and pushed it to the next level with AMG performance DNA infused throughout every detail. Under the hood, the 2026 S63 AMG features a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid engine, paired with an advanced electric motor that delivers an insane combined output of over 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 800 horsepower in a luxury sedan. This means the S63 AMG can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.2 seconds, putting it in the same performance league as some of the fastest supercars on the road. The power delivery is smooth yet explosive, thanks to the AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. The hybrid system isn't just about performance, it's also designed for efficiency. The electric motor adds instant torque, making every acceleration feel effortless, while regenerative braking and intelligent energy management keep fuel consumption surprisingly reasonable for a beast of this size and power. Now, let's talk about design. Because Mercedes didn't just build a fast car, they built a beautiful one. The 2026 S63 AMG carries an elegant yet aggressive exterior design. The signature AMG Panamericana grille dominates the front, with sleek digital LED headlights giving it that futuristic touch. The aerodynamic body lines flow perfectly along the frame, and the larger air intakes, wider stance, and quad exhausts leave no doubt that this is a high-performance AMG model. Step inside, and you enter a world of ultimate luxury. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim. The new AMG performance steering wheel, ambient lighting, and customizable seat settings give drivers complete control over comfort and style. The massive OLED central display integrates the latest MBUX infotainment system with AI-powered features, voice commands, and augmented reality navigation. Passengers in the rear are treated like royalty with reclining massage seats, entertainment screens, and noise-canceling technology that makes the cabin feel as quiet as a private lounge. Mercedes continues to set the bar for in-car comfort and advanced luxury. Technology is another area where the 2026 S63 AMG shines. It includes semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive suspension, predictive road scanning, and the latest safety systems that can even prepare the cabin for impact seconds before a collision. Every drive in the S63 AMG feels intelligent, confident, and futuristic. Mercedes has once again proven why they remain the leaders of automotive innovation. The 2026 S63 AMG is not just a car. It's an experience, a perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and raw AMG performance. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG? Is this the ultimate combination of power and elegance? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible car content every week. This is NK USA Car, where passion meets performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Description: keywords, hashtags, and title are below. Description: experience the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG, an 800 horsepower luxury beast that combines elegance with unmatched performance. Watch the full breakdown of its design, powertrain, and futuristic tech only on NK USA Car.